Greetings! Welcome to this BH Cosmetics palette fire sign look featuring some purples, browns, pinks, a little bit of blue, and some green. I'm shocked by how well it all actually works together. I was really just trying to do the theme, and I saved this one for last when I was making them because it looked so hard to do, but it actually worked out well. It uses the Sagittarius Matte and Shimmer, which is a rust and green shimmer. And then it uses the Leo Matte and Shimmer, which is sort of like a plum purple matte with that very pink shimmer. And then it's got a blue-green Aries shimmer with a black matte. So I started with the Leo Matte, which was this more purpley, plummy color. And I pulled it from the inside corner of the lid across and over the brow. And I left most of the center out. I just blended it and brought it up, trying to keep it as soft as possible considering the color is pretty dark. And this isn't where I would have normally started, but I didn't really think starting with a darker color was going to help, so I chose the lightest of the three. Then I brought the Sagittarius in, and I put that in the outer V of the eye on both sides, trying to keep it on the second half of the eye, but blended it in with the purple. And I got a fresh brush to do more of the blending so that I didn't get more of that color in place to bring the color out too much. To smoke it out, I took the Aries matte and I put that in there, and then I just brushed it out to blend it as best as I could. Then I went with a pencil brush underneath the eye, and I put the Leo matte on the outside edge, and then I put the Sagittarius matte over it, so matching the color on top. And then I pulled the Aries matte in just on the outer V of both lash lines, just to give it a little bit more definition instead of using a liner, and bringing it up a little bit into the outer corner. And I thought that looked great right there. Then I brought in a little bit of shimmer, and I think I would have stopped right here after putting on this subtle bit of this Leo shimmer on the brow bone and the inner corner, and just that inside edge on both the upper and lower lid. So just after this would have been great. But to complete the challenge, I ended up bringing in the Aries shimmer, which has a little bit of a blue tone to it. So I put that next to the pink shade, hoping to blend those. And then the Sagittarius shimmer, which is more green, I put in the center of the eye next to the Aries, pulling that out. And then I went back into the Leo, and I used that to blend outward from the inner corner to try and give that a seamless look. And I used these dry as opposed to wet to have it be less intense. And then for just this last bit, I went into the Sagittarius shimmer, wet a small angled brush using setting spray, and then just did a line from the halfway point of the eye on top of the mattes, just to give it a little bit of pop right there on the lash line, right above the lashes on the upper lid. I cleaned up the excess, and this is the completed look. It's intense and fierce, which might be what you'd expect from Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Hope you're having a fantastic day.